try other shrimps.
Today we're on an amazing boat with our French friends, BouBou and Marine. And today BouBou will cook for us some very special recipe. BouBou, what is it? What's the recipe?
It's a recipe from Réunion Island.
Okay.
It's Cari shrimps.
Okay.
In France, it's Cari Camaron.
Cari Camaron.
Cari Camaron, the name in France. And it's the first recipe I do with my grandfather when I have 13 years old.
Okay. Oh, so he teach you to cook with Réunion Island special food.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, my grandfather cook a lot.
Okay.
And very good
cook.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have genes of cooking. Okay, very nice. I'm looking forward. Okay.
So yeah.
What we do?
So it's the shrimps.
Okay.
Normally it's shrimps from a river.
Okay, in Réunion Island you have a river where you collect them?
Yeah. And so the first step, you cut in the back for take it off the sheets.
Yeah. Okay.
Because the
Taste.
Yeah, the taste after is not so good. So
Okay.
yeah. So we need to do.
We clean a lot. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, but we need to leave a head. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay.
No, I think it's the
Okay.
okay. Eat with friends and we eat and we speak about food. You say,
Yeah.
oh, we are so French.
You are so French. So most probably now I'm also a little bit French because I also like to produce about the food. Yeah. But I already know bonjour and I know Cari Camaron. Look, I'm already fluent. Close to fluent.
And when you eat, normally you have rice, you have curry or rougail, you have a little rougail like citron, tomato. It's a little salsa with chili.
Fresh salsa.
Okay.
Fresh salsa.
Fresh salsa.
And called it rougail?
Rougail,
Rougail.
citron.
Rougail citron.
And you have also rice, rougail, or curry, the little rougail.
Yeah. But what is different between rougail and little rougail?
This is we don't know.
Okay.
Easy to understand.
And the difference between rougail and curry
Also the same.
is not exactly the same, but
Okay.
people say blah, blah, and blah, blah. Sometimes it's no, rougail is like that, no, curry is like that, but
Okay. So we make rougail and curry.
yeah.
And we will try to find what is the difference in it. Okay.
You do like that, a little bit, you take off a little bit skin, you keep a little bit.
What's the name?
Rougail.
Rougail. Small rougail.
Or just salsa of lemon.
What is you eating rice and pasta, da? And your daily food.
You
Let's say.
60 kilo of rice.
No, and you ate all.
Yeah.
60 kilos.
Yeah.
Oh no.
You buy 1 ton of beer, but we buy 60 kilo of rice.
And that's on camera.
Chouchou, est-ce que c'est assez fin?
Cat, no.
Ah non. Ah ouais, sur les crevettes.
No. Very gently, but okay. Oh yeah, sorry.
But it's your mother is from France from Réunion.
From Réunion, yeah.
Okay.
That's not the typical. The typical it's rougail saucisse. And,
Yeah, what is it? Yeah, rougail saucisse.
Rougail saucisse, it's like the rougail with sausage.
Rougail. Okay, I know already rougail.
And also the curry poulet.
Cari poulet. Okay, this is chicken curry. This is I know.
Chicken
Okay.
curry.
And rougail morue.
And rougail morue also.
Morue, what is morue?
Bacalao.
Bacalao, okay.
Cod.
Yeah, bacalao.
Cod,
Cod.
yeah.
Yeah.
To smell this.
Wow. Wow, it's so good. What is it? What is it? You made yourself?
No, it's my grandmother do
Okay.
it. Yeah.
What is
Piment
inside?
with ginger
Uh-huh.
and secret.
Secret trip.
Secret grandmother.
BouBou, can I ask you later on, just send me what measurements you have in this recipe? Not so.
No, yeah. Typically, I for rougail sauces, for example, I look how many sausage I have. For the shrimps, it's same. I look how many shrimps I have, and okay, I say okay, I have this quantity
Yeah.
of shrimp, so okay, maybe this quantity of tomatoes is good, maybe this quantity
Okay.
of onion is good. So
It's okay. You have this bowl of shrimp. For this bowl of shrimp, you have the same bowl of tomatoes.
yeah,
So
maybe it's because I do long
Yeah.
for I
Yeah,
start
yeah,
to do
okay.
a long time ago. So
it's all somewhere in the feelings.
yeah, it's
okay.
a feeling. But yeah.
Okay.
Sometimes you have too much tomato, but okay. Sometimes
Yeah, okay.
It's different.
Okay.
Up.
Oh wow. Oh wow. What is it?
Yes.
It looks
It's a
amazing.
cool tool. No.
Cool tool.
In
Okay.
French, it's mortier.
Mortier.
In Réunion Island, you say pilon.
Pilon.
Le pilon.
This pilon. This
Yeah.
is pilon. Okay.
And this one is from Réunion Island. And when we live in Réunion Island with Marine, just before we leave from Réunion, I want one pilon
Pilon.
from Réunion Island.
Okay.
So I'm looking for the last guy do homemade the pilon,
Okay.
and we found it.
Wow.
So we go in his home, and yeah, a lot of rock. And say, okay, what
Choose
do you
your
want?
rock.
Yeah,
Okay.
say, maybe this
River.
one. Yeah, the river rock. Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
I don't remember the name of the rock. It's blue something. I don't know.
Mm.
And he say, okay, I can do the pilon for you in this rock. So
Wow.
and I come back maybe 2 days after, something like that.
Oh,
More. Maybe.
And then he makes it all from one rock.
Yeah.
Wow.
So you have a lot of rock.
Yeah.
You cut the rock, and you have a lot of pilon
Yeah.
in the
You
bottom.
choose
and
one.
Yeah, you say, okay, this one, no,
Wow.
this one. Oh, okay, this one.
Amazing. Super cool.
Yeah. And I'm happy about
Yeah.
this one.
Cool. And now what we're doing in this pilon?
So now we put some garlic and ginger, salt, and also chili.
Chili. Okay.
And you,
Okay.
and you do a pasta.
Mm.
And this is the best pasta in the world. You will
Mm.
see after.
It's very heavy. I would say it's a kilo for sure. Just this piece a kilo. And on a boat, on a sailing boat, normally you don't have a heavy thing. So this is really a treasure. Beautiful. Smells amazing. Yeah, it just you smell this. I think I even smell a little bit of Reunion Island. Very nice. It smells somehow better when all this mixed to something gives us. Okay, and what we are doing now? What's,
After that, we can start to cook.
okay.
But maybe we can put one onion more,
Okay.
please.
and 2 tomatoes.
And two tomatoes more.
Every time you do this,
Yeah.
1 onion more and 2 tomatoes more.
Yeah, yeah.
So now it's time to cook. So let's go.
So let's go.
To cook the
To cook it.
Cari Camaron.
Cari Camaron. Yeah.
Up.
This is some special pot.
Yeah, this is the pot from Réunion Island also.
Okay.
Everybody cook the rougail and curry in this.
In this type of
yeah, rougail, curry, masale. Yeah, it's typical thing.
Okay. A lot of onion, huh? Wow. Okay.
Yeah, but after.
Yeah, these things. Okay. They will be like
But I put a lot of onion.
Yeah,
Maybe in a lot of people put no.
Not so much,
Yeah, not
okay.
so much like me.
But your grandpa also put a lot on.
Maybe less than I put.
Meow.
And now this is the.
Yeah, that's a moment of.
Yeah.
Okay. What is it?
Time.
Time.
Time. Yeah.
Are you really like professional cook or you just like to cook?
No, I like to cook.
Like to cook. So this is grandpa put in the childhood in you that you start to cook.
And my mother cooked a lot also. It was her job before.
Mm-hmm.
He cooked very good also.
Okay.
So yeah, I like it. So I like cook.
It was grandpa cooking, your mother cooking, and you cooking. So it's every generation a cook.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Can I have the tomatoes?
Yes, chef.
C'est bon là, regarde tout ce qu'il y a. Je pense qu'on est pas mal. The bag for the rice. Yeah, we eat a lot of rice. Yeah. Usually it's 1 cup of rice for 2 people,
Okay.
but
But you always feel it.
for me it's 1 for 1 people.
Eat a lot of rice. A lot.
And you really wash it with hands. Interesting, because this is very Russian technology. Interesting that you have it. So good. Wow. Unbelievable. I want to. But tell me, this is already sauce like it is. It will be less reduced. What we need to achieve?
A little bit less reduced, but
It's
Yeah.
okay like this,
Yeah.
yeah. But later on you will puree it or what?
no. It's not a pizza salsa. It's Cari Camaron.
How many water you put on rice?
I put if I put 1 glass of rice, I put 1 glass of water.
Okay.
But you have also another technique.
Okay.
You put the water. You need to have
One finger, like.
this part of the finger. I don't know the name.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, everywhere. And,
Okay.
Good.
No! Ah non, tu peux pas ouvrir le riz. You can't open the rice.
We cannot open
No,
rice.
no.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
India, in Madagascar. It was not. I think it's not one of the good story. Yeah, hopla, I think it's finished now. Let's go to eat. Hopefully it's good.
Oh, for sure. Smells amazing.
Hop, be careful. Toki. T'as les oignons bien?
Cari Camaron. Guys, thank you so much.
You're welcome and thank you.
Yeah, since more than a year from different part of the world in Martinique, and finally we have
Cari de Camaron.
Cari de Camaron.
Un petit. Tiens, et tu me lâches.
Sai.